Good afternoon. We'd like to point out our safety features on board the Boeing 737-700 aircraft. There's a safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. Take it out, look over it, follow along if you would like. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the flap portion into the buckle. To unfasten, lift up on the flip latch. It will separate. Your seatbelt should be worn low and tight across your hips and at all times while seated. We're equipped with 6 exits, 2 doors up front, 2 overwing window exits, 2 exits in the back of the aircraft, all of which are marked by signs overhead. The track lighting on the floor and the aisle will lead you to an exit. In case of evacuation, please follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, there are life vests. They are located at each of your seats. Only when told to do so, remove the container, take the pouch out, take the vest out, placing it over your head, securing it with the strap around your waist, and pull to tighten. Once you exit the aircraft, pull down on the red inflation handle left to your side to manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. There's also a light on the back of your life vest that will illuminate once you're in the water. Flight attendants will pass out additional life vests if needed. Directions for a life vest for an infant or a small child, refer to that safety information card in the seat back pocket in front of you. Check to make sure your seatbelts are fastened. Tray tables and seat backs are forward, upright, and locked. All carry-on luggage is placed underneath the seat so you're always clear. The non-smoking flight is mandated by federal law. The federal law does prohibit the tampering with or removal of smoke detectors, which are located in the forward and the back lavatory. There's no smoking aboard any aircraft lavatory. Federal regulation requires all passengers to comply with the fasten seatbelt, no smoking signs, and the federal mask mandate. There's no vaping or electronic cigarettes of any kind. No alcohol that you brought on board can be consumed on board the aircraft either. We'll be traveling about 25,000 feet, therefore it's necessary to brief you on the use of the oxygen system. Although we don't anticipate a change, should one occur, 4 masks will appear from overhead. Immediately pull down on the mask till the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the yellow cup over your nose, the mouth, securing it with the elastic strap, and continue wearing until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. Sitting next to a child or holding a lap child, sitting next to someone who needs some assistance, please secure yourself first so that you'll be thinking clearly, then reach up with an additional mask and assist that other person. Please report any abnormal behavior to a flight attendant. It's our pleasure to have you on board. Thanks for selecting Southwest Airlines. We'll be on our way.